United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 98, Duty to render assistance, 1. Every state shall require the master of a ship flying its flag, in so far as he can do so without serious danger to the ship, the crew, or the passengers. A. To render assistance to any person found at sea in danger of being lost. B. To proceed with all possible speed to the rescue of persons in distress, if informed of their need of assistance, in so far as such action may reasonably be expected of him. C. After a collision, to render assistance to the other ship, its crew and its passengers, and, where possible, to inform the other ship of the name of his own ship, its port of registry, and the nearest port at which it will call. 2. Every coastal state shall promote the establishment, operation, and maintenance of an adequate and effective search and rescue service regarding safety on and over the sea, and, where circumstances so require, by way of mutual regional arrangements cooperate with neighbouring states for this purpose.